What's up, you guys? Hey, it's Kay. Come back with another video. So for this video, it's a highly requested video in regards to how I do my eyebrows. So basically, I'm not going to talk too much because the video is basically self-explanatory. You get a little spoolie and an eyebrow brush combo. Get your pomade or your eyebrow pencil and just take a look and see what I'm doing. If you have any questions, feel free to put those questions in the comment section. If you like this video, which I know you will because it's self-explanatory, you can see everything that I'm doing. Make sure you go ahead and thumbs up this video, share it with your friends, and have them subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, then go ahead and subscribe, sis. I don't know why you waiting. Why you waiting? Go ahead and join the club. Go ahead. Join the village. Now, the reason why I use that duo glue, once I've brushed my eyebrows up, that duo glue helps my brow hairs stay exactly where I want it. So before I put my pomade down, I always go in with that duo glue, just a little bit. You don't need a whole bunch. And just press that spoolie brush into your brows, into the position that you want your brows to stay put. Now, when I do this, my brows will last me all day. My brow hairs won't move, none of that. So once it stays right there, and then that's also an easier way for me to fill them also. So once I do that, then I just grab my pomade. Maybelline has a good brown pomade. e.l.f. has a good brown pomade. Who else? Anastasia Beverly Hills has a good one. I mean, everybody has a pretty good pomade. Sometimes if I don't have that pomade, I use that eyebrow pencil. So if you don't have brow pomade or something to fill your brows with, baby, you better use that eyebrow pencil. You better go old school. Now, this might sound kind of funny, but what I used to do, remember the black lip pencil that your mama used to wear back in the 90s with that with that purple lipstick? And you used to have that one gold tooth in the front of her mouth. Well, I'll use that black lip liner and fill my brows with it as well. It doesn't have to be an eyebrow pencil. If it's something that's gonna rub off in your brows and shows and fills it, then by all means go ahead and use that thing, sis. Quit playing. Ain't nobody got time. It's 2021. We just got out of quarantine and a pandemic. You better use what you got. Use what you got. And if somebody got a problem with it, tell them to buy you something else. Tell them to buy you nicer stuff if they don't like how it look. That's why I tell people all the time. You don't like how I look? Go ahead and bless me. Go ahead and buy it for me. Buy what you think I need. But anyways. And here's another little trick that I do. I'll pull my brow up just a little bit and use that brush and go directly under it and just swipe, as you can see. And I get the same effect. I do a lot of clients' brows like that when I have clients that request for me to fill their brows and everything. I'll do that same thing, and you can see it's the same exact look. So whatever works best for you, works best for you. Now I'm getting ready to use my concealer and highlight my under eyebrow area. Yeah, this is self-explanatory also. You get a flat cut crease brush. I know for a fact P. Louise has a good one, MAC has a good one, or you can make your own cut crease brush, which a video will be coming for that soon as well. So I'll be able to show you exactly how I made mine, because this one in this video is just a simple eyeshadow brush that I got from BH Cosmetics, and I turned it into a flat cut crease brush. So you gotta work what you got here, and it works just as fine. But yeah, that video will be coming down the line. So, and another thing, I know when it comes to me and I have to get right under my eyebrow with that concealer, honey, I can't talk, because if I talk or say anything to anybody, that eyebrow gonna look so jacked up. So I am very quiet on this part. Like, you can hear a pin drop. It was just that silent in there. So now you can either leave your brows like this. Sometimes I'll just put the concealer under my brows and just leave the top how it is, or you can use the concealer or your same shade of foundation and then get the top part of your brows. It just depends on how you feel, but I'm gonna go on ahead and use my foundation. Now, as you can see, I'm very focused on this because I know exactly how I want my brows. And you know exactly how you want your brows. So this is just one way how I would do it. Just swipe straight on across. It's really easy to do. And the thing about it is, it seems like it's difficult because I know for me, when I first started doing my own eyebrows, I used to be so scared to do it because my brows used to be wider. They used to be thinner. They used to be darker. Child, I was looking a hot mess. But The key to makeup and doing your makeup and doing others' makeup is practice makes perfect. So when you have free time, you don't have anything to do, and you want to, try and perfect your brows, take that little free time, grab that little brow pomade, your little brow brush and spoolie combo, and sit right in front of your mirror and just do your brows. But that's exactly what I did. I know for a fact I'm not the most perfect person when it comes to eyebrows, but I know how I want my eyebrows, and I know that practice makes perfect. So the more and more that I practice, the faster I get with it, the more precise I get with it. So I'm going to tell you the exact same thing. The more and more that you do it, the more precise you're going to get with it, and the faster you're going to get with it. Because all before it, I promise you, and I kid you not, it took me about 25, 30 minutes for me to do my brows. So trust me, practice makes perfect, and it also makes you get faster. So don't give up. I promise you, your brows may look like the brows from, the thin brows that they used to have back in the 1920s. It's okay. It's okay if they look like those brows right now. But if you keep practicing, honey, your brows gonna be flawless. And I'm just going right back in where I see like some little straggly hairs and getting them in formation. So yeah, and then what I'm also doing is using my same little trusty eyeliner pen and filling in where I need to. You can also use an eyeliner pen and fill out your brows also, because I used to do that for a little bit when I was scared to use brow pomade or eyebrow pencil. I used to use an eyeliner pen. Brows used to come out the same way until I got comfortable with that pomade and that eyebrow pencil, and you could never tell the difference. So you have to do what works, use what works best for you. Simple as that. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.